Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove words from a shirt in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this? Remove words. Click the magic wand tool. Select multiple and click words. Expand selection. Go to select tab. Modify. Expand 2 pixels. Okay. Then right click. Fill content error. Press Ctrl D. See this, remove words on t-shirt. And another way, simply select this tool, right click, use paste tool. Okay. Then select, press Ctrl D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.